In life, there's a strength, there are weaknesses, there are opportunities, there are threats. As long as you believe in yourself that you can make it. Someday, if one door is closed, that doesn't mean all doors are closed. Someday, somehow, for some reasons, as long as you get yourself together, you put up yourself together, you don't have to fear to go back and look and pick up those pieces and say, I'll make sure that I want to make a change. I want to make some differences. Yes, you'll have to make it. And then there's no way that you have to be afraid to face your fact. There's no ways that you have to be afraid to face the position that somehow you don't know. One thing that is remaining, only God, as long as you believe in that and say, God has got that space for me. Once you believe in that, you'll make it. And all along, through your temptations, you have to go through. You go through despite of no any afraid or no any fear. Go through it and make sure. I'll definitely make sure that you'll end up making it. You'll end up making sure you are on your own, despite of somebody else, despite of maybe even if somebody else may say, I'm giving you this assistance, but on your own, as long as you trust yourself, you say, I'm on my own. You stand up on your own feet and walk tall. Stand up on your own feet and walk tall. Then you will end up reaching your destiny. You reach the destiny, then from there you grab it, then you be an inspiration to those who comes behind you. And look at it for front and in, even up ahead and beyond. Then you'll make it. Definitely you'll make it. Definitely.
Thank you. Amazing.
Definitely make it.
Very good.
Definitely make it.
Very good.